Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can pin a software on your taskbar, since most people like facing the issue of finding right away the software they want to use. Today I'm going to show how you can set to where you can always find it if you want it right away. So first locate the software that you want to use. So first right click it. And after getting results like this, go on Pin to Taskbar. And if you come on Taskbar you will see that it's been automatically set to the taskbar, so let me show the fastest way to use it, but we will first unpin it by right-clicking it and then choose Unpin. So let's go back on our software icon, now long-click it, then pull it down to the taskbar. Now as you can see it's been automatically added, so now you can always find it here if you want. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.